Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We are not doing a tutorial. I'm sorry. I know it has been a very long time since I got a tutorial out to you guys, and I do have so many different things going, but it has just been crazy with work and I haven't been able to complete anything and get that voiceover done. But we have a massive individual launch with Gracefully Created. It is going to release on Tuesday, October 24th at 10 a.m. CST time, and it was absolutely worthy of doing a full video for y'all. We usually do Brittany bundles once a month. Usually they release around the first week of every month. However, for the holidays, we know everybody is super excited to get those holiday cups ready. So we do a huge release. Now, typically we only do this in December and January, I believe, but this year I think we're going to switch it up, and we're going to do, or I know that we're switching it up, and we're doing November, December, and we may continue this for, you know, the beginning of the year as well, because sometimes it's easier just to grab the pieces that you really like rather than, you know, get that bundle. So let us know what you think in the comments. If you like individual release, so you can pick and choose what you get, and you still can use my BBB10 code on the Gracefully Created website and still save some money, even if you get them individually. So let me know if you like the bundles, or if you would rather go on there and just pick and choose what works best for you once they release. So like I said, we have a lot. I'm going to go through all of them and just tell you the difference between, you know, these and these, because we do have some duplicates in here. Anyway, so y'all know that I always try to coordinate as much as possible. And I will first show you what would have been our bundle originally, and then we decided to split it up. Let's see. Like I said, we do have them printed on clear as well. Here we go. Here we go. Alrighty. So, try to get my stuff together. Okay. So here are the 3 vinyls that were going to be part of the original bundle. Look at how beautiful these are, y'all. They obviously coordinate. I grabbed these patterns from the same person because I like to coordinate them, and these were too good to pass up. We have the cows, which is so popular, and I found this beautiful cow decal or cow image that matches this perfect, because we have the holly berries and everything in the background and the pop of reds like we have here. This has the same pattern in there with the hollies and the flowers, and then we have the poinsettias as well. Look at how beautiful that is. And then this has all 3 of those Christmas colors in there and matches. Now, we were going to do one individual 6-inch nutcracker, but this was so much better as a full sheet. And then you have the ones that have the reds, the golds, and the greens in there that would match this as well. Or this also coordinates with all of the other ones that I have here too. Now, these 3 vinyls are going to be available in clear. So white will not show through. It has a white background. So make sure that you pick the one that you want at checkout, or just add both so you have them on hand in case you have these white cups sitting around like I do. So these are solid white on the back. These are clear. So I'm just going to pull it up. Now, all of these are printed as usual on removable vinyl, so it's easy for me to give y'all an example. But oh, is that not beautiful? Yes, yes it is. See, that just easily pops right off. I flatten it back out and then I set it to the side and I can use it later. That's what I love about these about Gracefully Created, and she always prints on that removable vinyl or temporary vinyl. It does not mean it's going to peel up when you are epoxying, because obviously it has a really good grip. It's just not going to leave a residue behind if you have to lift it up and make an adjustment, or if you decide you don't like it altogether, you can just put it right back onto this backing and use it for a later time. All right, so there is those. And then I created these 3 element sheets to go along with those vinyls or to use individually. We have our reds and our greens, and these beautiful florals. And then this was intended for a border. Very similar to this DTF decal that we had. You can put it at the bottom, flip it, and put it at the top, or you can start it midways. I have lots of tutorials on my borders that I have used on tumblers before. And then we have a few different elements here in the center and then a second border at the bottom. So you get at least 3+ tumblers out of one sheet. And then this here is my favorite. Look at that scene. Is that not beautiful? So we have 2 scenes on this one, and I sized them to where they would go at least partially around a tumbler, and you still have the image small enough to where it doesn't distort it whenever it goes around a cup. And then you can pop this tree, you know, in between these, or that can be where you put your little phrase or name, whatever it may be. Same thing with this one. So it stops about right there, and you have plenty of room to add a name or another decal or put that tree in there. We have our snowman, and I'm loving the windows and doors. I think they look beautiful on a cup. And then a couple little elements to fill in those gaps. So that is my favorite. And again, this is not releasing as a bundle. These are going to be individuals, okay? But this is the original bundle plan. And then we have all of these extras. These beautiful vinyls. Since we had all of our traditional Christmas colors in here, I wanted to do some bright and colorful ones. And these also match the Nutcracker element sheets. So, oh my gosh, stop, okay. So we have our Nutcrackers. They're so cute. Some red and green watercolor Christmas trees. Some little wreaths. Look at how pretty. This and this is probably my favorite, and probably this one too. I think these 3 all together would make a beautiful, like, mixed media tumbler. And look at the detail in that. And then of course we have these in clear as well. And I really want to see how this is going to look over. Let's see how it looks. It's so pretty. I mean, guys, you can just do a solid white glitter tumbler and put this on top and do some sort of decal, like the textured gold Something simple, and this will be beautiful because of all those vibrant colors in there. I love choosing, oop, that was loud. I love choosing vinyl patterns that really, that was really loud. I love choosing vinyl patterns that really stand out themselves. I mean, sometimes simple is better, but if you're going to do a simple tumbler, then it's really nice to have these really bright and vibrant and kind of busy vinyl patterns to go on them, so you can get a lot done quickly, because Christmas is a busy time of year for tumbler makers or crafters, and it's nice to have some patterns on hand that you can quickly whip up. Lots of tumblers that are just beautiful. Look at how good those match. And if we put them with, let's see, if we put them with these three too, even though these are really bold, I feel like these still will coordinate together, especially this one. So you can do cows and maybe the plaid together and our little Highland cow decal. Seriously, I'm so excited for Christmas. I just want all the Christmas things. I usually am not excited for winter, but this year, I don't know. I think everybody's been so busy, and it's just, I don't know. Even though Christmas is an incredibly busy time of year, you still just take time to slow down. You're forced to slow down with your family, and I just cannot. I can't wait for all of those, you know, curl up on the couch and have some hot chocolate and watch a Christmas movie moments. I am ready. All right, so here are all of our vinyls together, and do not forget, they are also all going to be available in clear. So on the Gracefully Created website, there is going to be a little drop down box, and you can switch it from white to clear if you want to have these clear ones as well. And then our element sheets. Here are our element sheets. We have the nutcrackers, the winter scenes, the traditional color florals, and then our border sheet. And then the 2 decals that will also be releasing today that matches literally everything. And that is all. Actually, let me show you the back of these decals. These are printed with white on the back, as well as these element sheets, so you can put them on any color tumbler or whatever project you're working on. You can put them on any color surface and they are going to stand out. You're not going to lose the color or anything like that in, you know, in your base. Beautiful. All right, I will have all of these linked down below, or I will have the Gracefully Created ccd.com website linked below for y'all, as well as my BBB10 discount code. And we will see you there at 10 a.m. CST time, Tuesday, October 24th. Bye, y'all.